Kung wala hindi siya tatakbo, ayoko na. Hindi na ako bumoto.
Wala kayong sasapot.
Wala. It's only man.
No, nagalit ako kasi ni-rape. Oo, isa rin yun. Pero napakaganda. Dapat ang mayor muna ang mauna.
Puppetry, we often heard as a child, a toy used by the puppeteer to manipulate, act, and entertain. In reality, we are the puppets that were being manipulated.
Time of the political campaign, election is approaching. Tarpaulin of candidates were flaunted brashly.
The number of tarpaulins posted grows rapidly, as if it is on par with the population of these crowds. The loud noise of political jingles are louder than the voices of the marginalized.
These fraudulent politicians are making fun of us, taking advantage of the gullible side of the Filipino people.
We are not just instruments and puppets for the success of their political agendas. We are the loud and proud Filipinos that will embody the will of countless generations.
We are not mere puppets. Our voices should be heard. Opinions must have intellectual reasons. Open our minds, and blindness shall be removed.
Freely criticize the falsity. The truth will set you free.